Welcome to Block of the Month by the Quilting Company. You're here to learn how to create partial seams. This technique is used when blocks are built around a center patch. It allows you to add sections so they can connect in more complex ways. Hi, I'm Jenny K. Parks. You're here to learn how to create partial seams. This technique seems intimidating, but it's easy once you know the steps. Now let's get started. They appear in the first block of the quilt pattern and in block number 3 of the quilt pattern. First, we partially add 1 unit, stopping stitching about halfway. Leave plenty to adjust for later. Press away from the center. Working clockwise, add the remaining units, pressing after each one. When you come back to the first unit, finish pressing the last seam, pinning to your level of comfort. See those marks? That keeps me from clipping the points of my triangles. Now press away from the center. To finish this block, we add the sides, top and bottom, and press. That wasn't too bad, was it? Winter Cheer Block of the Month, designed by Denise Russell, is brought to you by Riley Blake Fabrics, celebrating 10 years of providing high-quality fabrics to inspire and create.